Hi guys, it's Machaela and welcome back to my channel and welcome to my project pan update for the month of July. I feel like I did pretty good this month. I felt like I hit some goals, fixed some goals, and made some progress. So let's just go ahead and get started with one of the items I brought into my project last month, and that is the Clinique Instant Brow Lift. I used this a total of 12 times. Now I knew it was a possibility that I could finish it this last month, but I didn't quite get there. However, I have like none left. I'll probably finish it up by the next update for sure. I don't see it being in my project for any longer than that because it's just right there. So I definitely see myself getting this rolled out by the next update. I might even finish it probably. I'm gonna say I'll probably finish it about halfway through the month of August. So I don't see it taking long at all. And then we've got my Becca Backlight Priming Filter. I actually only use this 3 times this month now. In the past, I've used a lot more, but I was just using other primers this month. So I'm anticipating it probably being another probably another 2, maybe 3 months left of use until I can roll this out. But I can't I can't pump it out anymore. I'm having to dig into it, but I can still get quite a bit on the wand here. So I anticipating it being another 2 to 3 months until I can finish it off. And this item I rolled in last month. My goal on it was either hit pan or get 50 uses on it. And well, I'm gonna change my goal on it. And because I hit pan after about 2 uses until I hit pan on it. With that being said, I'm feeling ambitious, and this may be a little bit too ambitious of me, but I'm thinking I could probably finish this up by the end of the year. So now, instead of a 50 uses goal, I'm going to just go ahead and try to finish it up. I've got pretty big pan on it from the time I hit pan, so it doesn't look like it's very thick around. I mean, I'll probably end up eating my words on this and not finishing this up, but for right now, I think I'm going to go ahead and try to finish this off and get this foundation out of my collection. I am enjoying panning it. I am enjoying watching the pan expand when I use it. So that's my new goal. Otherwise this would have been a rollout, but I don't feel like I got satisfied enough with it in my project pan, though I was excited to hit pan on it. I want to challenge myself to finish this up by the end of the year. But I did use it a total of 12 times this month. And then another roll in from last month is the Urban Decay Moon Dust Eyeshadow. My goal is to use it 50 uses or use it up. So I used this a total of 8 times, which I believe it's like 42 uses left until I can roll it out on my project. I do have pretty good pan in there. I don't feel like I'll finish this up by the time the 50 uses are up, so I'm just going to stick to my 50 uses goal on that. Unless for some reason I happen to finish it up by those 50 uses, or I get to the 50 uses and I'm just so close I just want to finish this up. But at this point, the goal remains at 50 uses, which means I have 42 uses left until I can roll this out of my project. My ColourPop blush, the one that's been in for 2 years now and might end up being in for a 3rd year now. Now I am dead set on finishing this blush up no matter how long it takes me, and it's gonna be a proud moment when I do. I used this a total of 7 times, so within the range of average. I've used it more in each month, I've used it less in other months, but I feel like the progress is steady. I feel like we're getting there. I feel like I'm going to keep this in the project for another year, but I am determined to completely use this up or it's going to have to expire on me, and so far we're still running strong, so I'm going to keep on using it, and quite honestly I enjoy the color, especially as fall is starting to approach. I'm excited to use this more. I am wearing it today. So that is 7 uses this month, and I'm going to just continue to go for it. My Natasha Denona highlighter, or it's the Diamond and Glow, the highlighter side. I use this a total of 9 times. Again, I'm steady progress. There's not that much left. I feel like I can finish this off sooner rather than later. I'm anticipating I'll probably at this point, I mean my goals, or my anticipation always changes, but I'll probably finish this up in mid-fall. Probably, my guess is like sometime in the middle of fall, right before winter. I don't think it'll quite make it till winter, but I'm guessing that I'll be able to finish this up like October, November-ish. So hopefully I can finish that up by then, but 9 uses, which is around what my average is each month, so I'm not mad at that. And then the last item is the Becca lip liner. Now I only use this a total of 4 times this month, so in the past I've definitely used it more. This has been the month where I didn't reach for it near as much as I have in the past. Otherwise I think this could have been an empty this month, but I'm right there at the end. Again, I'm anticipating it being one, maybe 2 more months before I can roll this out, but it definitely won't take that much longer because I am enjoying panning this and I do love the color, and I do use it as a blush from time to time, so I am enjoying it. But yeah, just this month I think just testing out other lip liners this month, and just not wearing, I've just been kind of more into not wanting to deal with lip liner for some reason this last month, and when I am wearing lipstick, just to be able to swipe it on and go and not have to deal with the precision or the time it takes to put on a lip liner. So a couple different factors there, but I do feel like I can finish this by the end of summer, by early fall. Yeah, the last little bit of summer, first little bit of fall, but this will take 1, maybe 2 more months at the most. That is everything in my project pan. So I'm not mad at the progress at all this month. I'm actually very happy with the amount of progress I've made, especially when it came to the foundation that I was just anticipating it, I guess, taking longer, but now I've become ambitious, but I'm not mad at it. I like the progress that I made. I'm happy with the amount of progress I've made. I feel like each month, like there's always like 1 or 2 products that get a lot of uses, and then there's 1 or 2 products that just kind of fall off a little bit, and that just kind of rotates, just kind of where I'm at in each month. But I'm happy. Anyway, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior, and I am currently pregnant. So I've got a lot of that content on my channel and more to come. So if that is all what you're into, hit that subscribe button. But if not, you still want to stick around, I would love to have you. So hit that subscribe button. Anyway, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.